There's a carpet. Brother, it's the middle of the night. You're not still sleeping? Wait, it's the middle of the night. You're making your dog a house? You never make your dog a house before. OMG, your dog is there. You're never gonna get it. First, get out this because she's not up yet. Because she's sit down yet. Upper. Oh. Up. Get out. Come on, brother, sleep. Wait lang.
Nagpanik na kami, 65 lang siya. Pero ang ano, hindi na nilapon mo.
Okay, sleep.
Ano ba pakiramdam mo nun, Nay? Parang kumbaga humihinga ka pero...
Si nakaramdam ko, hindi ko kakasal, parang hinahabol yung salita.
Oh, ganyan si nanay nun. Parang kada salita niya.
Kada salita, sumasalita.
Hingal.
Pero mga gabi, sabi ko, Nang, kako, kumain ka. Sumasapat. Nagsasalita na katitig sa... Ganun lang.
Ganyan si
Yung mga
nanay
nahirap
kanina.
huminga.
Hindi mo ramdam, di ba, Nay?
Hindi mo ramdam.
Parang hindi mo alam. Papahingahin niyo pala ng malalim hanggang kaya niya. Sasabihin niyo, hinga siya malalim.
Kaya sabi niya ni Sensei, kagabi, parang pag kinakausap nila, parang galit siya sa kanya. Parang nahihingi. Ayun, pinagpa namin ni Tito ng gatas.
Gago pa ako ng
gatas.
Wolf.
Ganun lang.
Are you adding more dogs than me?
Pinapa namin Tito mo sa lapag.
I'm tired. Come on, sleep. Oh,
Kagabi, mataas pa
sorry.
yung kwan, 1995.
Sorry, Daddy.
22 pa siya kahapon.
What are you
Kaya
doing?
sabi ko, okay pa ako yung
Get out.
DJ.
What are you doing? Oh, a doggy. A leash. A leash.
Vitamin ka.
Okay, I have to give you.
Vitamin kahapon, layas ka ng layas.
Hindi. Nakain mo sa bahay.
I have to give you something, okay?
Ang meron pa tayo dito ng gamot na yung nadala ko, yung panunaw na...
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Ito, oh.
Ano ko rin? What?
Inumin ka yan.
Here you go. Have this green. I'll put her.
Napakahusay din yan.
Ano yan? Pagkatapos magtanghalian.
Saan ito hinahalo? Sa tubig?
Oh,
Lang, maligam na.
excuse me.
Diyan ganyan na ano.
Here you go. Have this.
Okay yan.
Wala kasi, para rin bata, galit ka.
Oo, okay yan. Kaya ko yan.
Ikaw naman si Jan.
Okay, go to bed.
Tawag mo kay Tita Gemma.
I'm tired.
Oo, yun.
Ang pakayanan mo.
Jason, wala ka mong maasim pero kailangan.
Sobrang asin yan.
Ito.
Oo. Isa lang ha, isa lang bawat isang baso. Yung
Sa kada araw lang.
Ganyan lang.
Ay, hindi. Shit, sa gabi yata yan. Sa gabi. Sa gabi yan.
Pwede hindi mo din niya.
Kasi sa gabi ko pinapainom sa kanya yan eh. Bago matulog.
I gonna sleep. I can sleep.
Pwede na siguro ito ngayon.
I cannot sleep.
O, huwag mo na papainom namin ang gabi.
Oo, bukas na lang.
Bukas na ulit.
Oo, sige.
Hi.
Ako si tawag mo kay
Hello.
Tita Gemma. Ano ako?
Close the lights.
Eh, pakadali ni Mary. Ano?
Dadalhin yun. Kinausap lang si Jen.
May susi naman kay ate mo.
Meron, meron.
Oh.
Ate, pwede
Why
dito
are you
ako
here?
Ha?
Si ate.
Hindi. Si Ateng?
Pang ano yan?
Yeah.
Ang panunaw lang ng prema yan, ha?
Hindi, wag.
Kung may
Saka,
kailangan
pag si ate mababae, maasim yan.
Just
Wala,
gonna.
kakakang ko nito.
Oo, napakaasim yan. Ang kain mo si ate niyan.
Doggies, where are you? Chicky chicky loggies, I mean doggies.
Ituro mo na nga rin yung nebulize yan.
Doggies, I gotta get you a walk. Walk time,
Kung saan
little
mo
my
nilagay yung
doggies.
sinahon mo.
Up. Oh, first I can feed you. Of course, I never forgot that. Get some chicken.
Okay, they're gonna get a baby.
Yum. 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 up, get up. And you get up. You get up.
Okay, sino na uuna? Ako!
Sige na. Punta mo doon.
There you go. Stop it. What are you doing? Hey!
Having a dog.
Are you getting your dog a walk? Hey, brother, are you getting your dog a walk?
They are babies. Look,
Here.
get out.
Lots of cookie.
Stop it!
I'm not like that.
I'm not
I'm
like
not-
nothing.
Not like that. Come here, chicken licky.
Stop.
Too many of them.
I can't get up. Yeah. I'm at the cow farm.
I can watch some TV. Oh my god, just a very first video on Ryan stirred up. Just
What?
that. Like that. Oh, I can watch it. Stop it! You're not Ryan. You don't take something. I have hard to get that.
Get about this.
No! Why?
I'm gonna give it back.
Okay. Better watch you, man.
But pero, bakit pero?
I gonna watch you.
There.
Give me that. Give me that.
Yan mo sila.
Hey!
Masin ka mo
What?
na.
You didn't give me it.